Providing value. We all said the common thing around here that makes people happy is serving others. For me, volunteering abroad was just meaningful. I think a lot because I came from another country and I've traveled so much too. So this is my washboard. I'm sure this thing is a clicker, but okay, so that's my washboard. It's also when I use the latrine outside, this is also the place where you wash your hands, where you do your laundry. There's also the kitchen sink where you wash your pots and pans. It's very multi-purposeful. And there's no running water, so all these are the buckets from the well. So remember when I said humbling? It gets to a point where you don't think about these things. Everybody around me is not sick, right? So you can create the sickness in your mind too. So it is the situation I was in. You just have to adapt to the situation. So when I said to you that there's no electricity in that room, it just so happens that I will have to pee at 4 in the morning. Why, I don't know, but that was just a routine. So it's dark outside, then there are dogs around, but I'll have to go outside with my flashlight, find my way. This is bright now, but imagine doing that at night, trying to find this latrine. Fortunately, this latrine is self-cleaning, so they put a lot of microbes in the soil or whatever there, so it doesn't smell. But there's nobody going there flushing nothing out, right? My host mom will clean it up as much as she can, but latrines smell. It's like going to a porta potty. And there's a cement slab on there, so you just get used to it. But so in the back is where the well is. I never had to go to the well. My host dad would come get the water for me every day, which is good. Because the top pictures were bathed every day. So that contraption there with the tarp is where I would go inside and use a bucket of water. There ain't no shower. So you have to figure out how you're going to bathe with a bucket of water. So that gets creative. Because you have a limited amount. And it's cold water. So the first few days I was squeal. Couldn't really help that. It was cold. But I got used to it. So remember I told you I was living in Princeton, New Jersey, in a really nice place, really in downtown Princeton, driving a nice car. And that was my bedroom. The mosquito nets, mosquitoes everywhere. Pretty simple life. The bed wasn't soft. But it was okay. It became okay because of the community that I was in and the people that I was around, and also my reflection moments. It was really good for me to really think, what am I going to do next in my life, right? After that stint, by the way, I came back and went back to grad school. That's how I went back for my second master's degree, because I was positioning myself to really make the big impact. And I wanted to really understand a little bit more about the global world too, so that propelled me there. And there were a lot of blessings. I'm telling you, when you serve, you get blessed. I constantly got blessed, right?